Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I'm going to be showing you 3 separate videos and they're only going to be a couple of minutes each long, and they're all beauty crackers from Next. Next have just released 8 different ones. They all have different price points. This is the Let It Glow skincare cracker. It costs £18 and it has a value of £52. You'll find a link to this one and all the others down below in my description, so if you want to take a look then you're welcome to do so. Inside all the crackers you'll find 4 to 5 products. So yeah, so let's go on showing you then what's inside this one. Okay, starting off we have got Beauty Pro Eye Therapy. It's an under eye mask. It relieves the effect of tired, swollen and puffy eyes, diminishes fine lines, wrinkles and under eye shadows. It contains collagen, green tea, vitamin A and E, and there's 1 pair there. So 1 pair little eye patches, and it tells you how to use them on the back there. So there's that. Then we have got Murad. This is from the Resurgence range. It's a renewing cleansing cream, and there's 60 mils there. You can use it AM and PM. So you've got a cleanser. Then we have got, this is Dermalogica. This is a daily microfoliant. It's a brightening rice-based powder exfoliant, and there is 13 grams here. This is really great. I haven't had this for a long time. Achieve brighter, smoother skin every day with this iconic exfoliating powder. So that's what it looks like. And you create like a paste. Let's see if it'll come out. Ooh, there, can you see? Can you see the powder? Can you see the powder on my hand? So you apply to wet hands, add a little water in there and create a paste, and then massage it all over your face and then rinse off, and it leaves your skin feeling super soft. So yeah, so there's that. And then afterwards you can put an oil on top. This is Pie. This is Rosehip Bioregenerate facial oil, and there's 10 mils there. This is a really nice oil. Rosehip oil is supposed to be brilliant healing oil for your skin. Woo. There you go, so you've got face oil. So those are all the products inside the Next Let It Glow skincare cracker. I've wrecked the end now, I can't do that properly. Never mind, it costs £18, has a value of £52, and yeah, would make a really nice like Secret Santa or a little gift under the tree or something for yourself. As always, let me know what you think, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care, bye.